Model, 62-plate Volkswagen Touareg V6 Shay TDI Blue Tag Spares OR Repairs Engine seized. Body, black, MPV. Mileage, 268232. MOT, the 16th of September 2025. Engine, 2967 cc 3.0245 PS EU5 BMT. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: Enginge does not start and want turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: none, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, air-con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.